think... I forgot what I was thinking about.
The Master's knee. I've seen this before. Look, right there, where his knee bends. It's pointing to this spot on the beach. That's where we start. Listen up, you guys. From here, you will see the seed that's been sown. Look to where water turns to bone.
Water turns to bone? Hamish isn't even trying to make sense.
No, water turns to bone. Water turns to bone. He must mean ice. The glacier.
You had the map and you didn't destroy it? What were you thinking?
I know, I'm an idiot. I thought maybe you and I could take another crack at finding that treasure.
Gobber!
We turned back too early, so we lost a couple of toes.
Yeah, come on, Gobber. We've got to find Hiccup and the others before they get themselves killed. Why would he do something like this?
There's something in there.
I bet that guy saw it too.
Call on Magni, you'll go astray. Freya, though, will show the way.
I get it.
No! We can't break the ice. That's what Magni means. He's the god of strength.
That's right. And Freya
Is the goddess of fire. And that's exactly what we're gonna use. Toothless, you know what to do. Light him up.
That's it? This is the treasure?
No, can't be. But I bet this'll lead us to it.
Take us to the treasure.
Let me know if it answers.
This is just the first piece. Whoa! Toothless!